Today's schedule, my first work is going to be preparing my boss breakfast. Okay, good morning guys. If you're new here, you're most welcome. Welcome to this vlog. And if you're new here, just in case this is your first time to see me, my name is Aida. So guys, I'm combing my hair. You see, it is so hard, you know, our hair is coily, something like that. It's coily. So right now I'm combing, and after combing I'll be going down to do the breakfast. I will have coffee first, then I'll be doing for my boss. Okay, yeah. On top of that, I don't forget sunscreen. I told you we are in summer. The sunscreen is a must since we are in summer, so I had to put it. I like this sunscreen. It's so much better. It does wonderful. Oh, yeah, it does everything. So you have to, don't worry on other parts. I put already. It was only my face missing. Yeah, you see that girl? You see that girl from this sunscreen? Yeah, it feels like you put something like watery on your face. Yeah, it feels like you put water on your face. So guys, I'm done here. Let's go for the breakfast. So guys, as I'm heading outside, the only thing that I'm wondering about Saudi Arabia, you see that sun, it is morning, not even 7 o'clock, but it is very, very hot. This Saudi Arabia can be hot like hero. So guys, I just reached in the kitchen, so I'm going to start preparing breakfast, but first I'm going to prepare my coffee first before anything. So today I'm going to use this Kopiko. I love it. It's not that sweet, but it is mixed. It is creamy. It is mixed, I think, with milk. I don't know, but I like it. See that color? It is so nice. You don't need to add sugar. So when you add sugar, I toasted my bread. I told you before, I'm eating my own bread that I make since I cannot afford to buy bread every day. So I decided to make my own bread so that it will be easy for me and it helps me to save. Yeah. Then after my breakfast, I started preparing my boss breakfast. So for her breakfast is easy but complicated, so you have to give enough time. So I prepared her tea, 1 egg and 1 piece of bread, and that's all. So after preparing everything, I'll be bringing everything to her so that she can eat her breakfast as well. After that, after bringing her breakfast, I start preparing her coffee. She's drinking Turkish coffee. It is so nice. I tasted it also. So I just give her 1 teaspoon of coffee and 1 teaspoon of sugar, and that's all. So I just mix it with water, and it's so easy, but it's also complicated. As I told you, she's drinking only that small cup, but it's so complicated. So guys, that is Turkish coffee. You only have to boil it only few minutes, and just like that it is done. That's how the way she likes it. I don't know, but I think it is hot enough for her, so she doesn't want, she doesn't want too much. Yeah, that's enough for her. So I bring that one. Immediately after that, I bring back the tray, the one I bring first. So it was, she finished already to eat, and I washed everything. After that, I covered everything because I don't want the dust to go on it. So I started preparing her juice, because today it was my schedule for her breakfast from morning until lunch. So I had to prepare everything. I'm not working alone. Other people, they were already preparing lunch, everything. So I had to prepare her juice. She wants this combo, so I started preparing carrot and beetroot. It's so nice, this guys. If you try it, it's so wonderful. If I'm making this juice, I like it because I also tried it. It's so nice. I don't need to add sugar. I just add lemon, and that's all, and water, and it is so nice, the taste. But if you want to try this combo, it's okay, you can add sugar. It's also nice. Wow, as you see guys, it was already done. So immediately from there, I started preparing my own lunch because I was done with her work, and that's my lunch, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Bye.